Let's get real for a second. How many times have you scrolled online and you see someone talk about making money in their sleep and you thought to yourself, you're right, that's not for me. But what if I told you it's possible? And no, you don't need thousands of dollars in your bank or a fancy degree or even experience to get started. Here is the truth. People all over the world are earning consistent income every single day by selling digital products. And some of them started with nothing but ideas and free tools. So today, I am pulling back the curtains to show you how you can start selling your first digital product, even if you have never done anything like this before. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get ready, because this could be the game changer for you. 2025 is about to get a whole lot better. Hi my navigators, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Favour, and my mission is to help you build wealth, confidence, and freedom one step at a time. Now let's get real. We've all heard about passive income, but the idea of creating something once and getting paid over and over again sounds too good to be true, right? Well, digital products makes that dream a reality. And trust me, you don't have to have thousands of dollars or be a tech genius to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through what digital products are, how to create them, and most importantly, how to sell them. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end because every part of this video is very important. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly are digital products? Simply put, a digital product is any item that you create and sell online that doesn't exist in a physical form. Think about it. No inventories, no shipping headaches, and no worrying about stock running out. Digital products can be anything from ebook, online courses, templates, planners, and even creative assets like stock photos and music. And here is the best part. Once you create it, you can sell it over and over again without any additional work. That is where the magic of passive income comes in. You put in the effort once and let the product do the earnings for you. Now here's the exciting part. Digital products are incredibly versatile, which means you can turn any skills or passion into something valuable that people will pay for. Example, are you good at designing? Create Canva templates for social media posts, resume or business cards. Do you love teaching? Share your knowledge by creating a simple online course. You organized? Sell printables like budget planners, meal prep guides, and to-do lists. Digital products are in high demand because people are always looking for tools or solutions to make their life easier, more productive, or more enjoyable. And the beauty of it is you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to package what you know or what you can create in a way that can meet people's need. Here is an example. Have you ever bought an ebook or downloaded a template online? Think about how effortless it was. You clicked, downloaded, and immediately got value. Now, imagine being on the other side of the equation, earning money every time someone clicks on your product. That is the power of digital products. Let me tell you why I'm such a huge fan of digital products. They are without a doubt one of the most accessible and rewarding ways to start earning extra income. First, they are incredibly low cost to create, unlike traditional businesses where you need to invest in inventories, rent, and of course equipment. With digital products, your main investments are time and creativity. You can use free or affordable tools like Canva, Google Docs, or even your smartphone to create something amazing. Second, the earning potentials are limitless. Once you have created your products, you can sell it an infinite number of times. Think about it. One ebook can earn you $10. But if 100 people buys it, that will be $1,000 just from that same single product. And the best part, you are not spending more time creating additional copies. It is automated. Here is the third reason. It is flexible and scalable. Whether you are working full-time, raising family, or just juggling life chaos, digital products can fit into your busy schedule. can create them in your spare time. Launch them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon KDP. Let them generate income while you focus on something else. Here is the part I love the most. Digital products offer freedom to explore your creativity, freedom to work on something meaningful, and ultimately, freedom from being stuck in a single income stream. They open the door to passive income, which means you can stop trading time for money and start building financial freedom. And let's not forget how timeless they are. Once you create a digital product, it doesn't expire or goes out of stock. You can keep selling it for months, even years, with small updates if needed. Digital products are gifts that keeps giving. Finally, digital products are empowering. They allow you to take what you already know, skills, passion, or even life experiences, turn them into something valuable. It's about sharing your knowledge with the world and being paid for it. So, whether you are dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5 someday or paying off your debts, or simply having extra cash to enjoy life, digital products are a fantastic place to start. Let's get into how to create your first digital product. Step 1. Choose your product. Start by thinking about what you're good at or passionate about. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others might find valuable? Example, if you are great at budgeting, create a budget planner template. Do you love cooking? Write an ebook with your favorite recipes. Are you good with design? Make Canva templates for social media posts. The key here is to focus on solving a problem or meeting a need. Step 2 is to use free tools to create your products. You don't need expensive softwares to make your products. Here is what I recommend. Canva is perfect for designing templates and ebook. Google Docs is great for writing and formatting content. Screen recording apps. If you are creating a course, record your screen for free using tools like Loom. Step 3. Sell your products on the right platform. Where you sell your products is just as important as what you create. Here are some beginner-friendly platforms. Etsy, amazing for printables, planner or templates. Amazon KDP, ideal for ebook and self-publishing. Ebook and Gumroad, perfect for selling directly to your audience without complicated fees. Now you've got your products, but how do you sell it? Here is how. Leverage social media. Post on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, showcasing your products. Use reels or stories to grab attention. Secondly, build a community. Share valuable tips related to your product niche to build trust with your audience. Thirdly, email marketing. Start collecting emails with free resources and market your products directly. The key is consistency. Don't just post once and forget about it. You have to keep showing up. You have it. A complete roadmap to creating and selling your digital products, even if you're starting with zero experience. The beauty of digital products is they open doors to financial freedom, giving you the opportunity to earn on your own terms. And here is what I want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect to start. Your first products might not be flawless, and that's okay. What matters is taking the first step. Every great journey begins with a single action, and this could be the one that changes everything for you. If this video got you excited about building your first digital product, but you are unsure of where to start or want to dive deeper, I've got you covered. My book, The Wealth Within: How to Escape the 9-to-5 and Build the Life You Love, is packed with actionable steps, real-life strategies, and plenty of encouragement to help you on your journey. It's on Amazon, and also you can find the link in the description below. Don't miss out. Remember, success isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about making moves, not excuses. It's about creating your own paths and believing you got this. So, what digital products are you most excited to create? Drop it in the comments. I would love to cheer you on and help you get started. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is ready to unlock their potential. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 the year we take control of our future and build something incredible. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.